In this video, I'm going to show you how you can solve the problem account is already in use while trying to access your Netflix account. So if you have been trying to log into your Netflix account, but you are being told account is already in use, there are quite a number of things you can take, and there are quite a number of reasons this might be so. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so to solve this problem, head over to the official Netflix account and then scroll down up to the help center. And this is the last page here. So if I open it, scroll down, enter this option called fix problems, and under it go to account issues. Here we are told we have quite a number of problems you might be experiencing, and the third one is Netflix says account is already in use. Now if you open this, we are told the code for this error is usually E123 or any of the messages below when you play a TV show or movie. One might be too many people are using your account right now. That is one of the reasons why you are receiving this error, or your Netflix account is in use or on another device. Also, the reason might be your Netflix account is in use on too many devices. What this means is the maximum number of devices allowed to watch at the same time using your Netflix account has been reached. You have to note that your Netflix plan determines how many devices are allowed to watch at the same time using your account. So what can you do to fix this? Here are some of the things you can do to fix this problem. On a different device using your account, stop playing Netflix or close the Netflix app. If you don't know which device on your account might be playing Netflix at the same time, you can check which device recently watched by just following this link. And here is the link. Just enter your email to continue, and this will highlight all the devices that are watching or recently watched. You have also to note that after stopping Netflix on a different device, you may need to wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Here is the time, between 5 to 10 minutes before you can watch on your device. Another thing you can do is to upgrade your Netflix plan to allow more devices to watch at the same time. You're told up to 4 with the premium plan. If your Netflix account is being used without permission, you can also stop someone from using the account or your account when you click on this link here. And here are the instructions on how you can stop someone from using your account. So that's how you can solve this problem. Netflix account is already in use. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.